Nikhil here. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to promote your webinar using LinkedIn. I am surprised at how few people actually know this. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, of course, you need a webinar. So one of the webinars which I have planned for a different YouTube channel is called Things to Check Before Buying a Flat. This webinar was a collaboration with some construction quality companies where we ended up, talking about where we will end up talking about a lot of this construction quality. Now, of course, you'll have a registration page for the webinar. It's a free webinar. So the whole idea here is this. First thing first, copy this link. Now open your LinkedIn, and over here, I want you to go to events and click on plus. Over here, I'm going to select Home Banao as the organizer. If you have some sort of images, cover pages, icons, you can actually upload them here. Next, what you have to do is basically enter all the details of your webinar. Next, what you can do is select the date. So this one is 12th June, and the time which I have decided is 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So let me just then you can add in some description. My suggestion is have some sort of description ready so that you can immediately just paste it, and it have a lot of keywords which you're targeting in the description right here. I'm gonna add in the speakers. Now let me just explain why you should be doing all these steps. Once you add in a lot of these speakers, you can actually ask them to invite their connections. Okay, so you can only invite speakers who are your connections. This is going to be a public event. Next, I'm going to tell that, hey, this is my registration link, and I click on create. It's just going to ask you if you'd like to share this post, and of course, please go ahead and share this post. Your event is now created. Now you'll be like, okay, how am I supposed to actually get people to see this event? Well, I want you to check out this button right here, invite connections. Now please keep this in mind. There are a lot of restrictions which LinkedIn puts. That's the main restriction you need to know about, is at once you can just invite 1,000 people per week to a particular event. So let's just do that very quickly. Now what I'm doing here is I'm adding some location filters. Normally speaking, if you just go and check all of this, the time it takes to check everything is a lot. So a simple hack which I've found is just select locations or any of these filters which make sense. Select the widest range of locations you can have, and then very easily just keep scrolling down. Okay, so I think now after scrolling down, as you can see, there's a very huge list of my connections. I just click on this checkbox. This is a very generic topic. I can invite pretty much anyone who's looking to buy a home. If you look here, there's 728 people totally who have been selected to be, who are part of my connections, whom I can invite. So for this week, I am pretty much close to exhausting my number of invitations which I can send. So let me just click on invite. The moment I do that, right, the second I do that, each one of these guys end up getting this particular invitation in their notifications, and they can either accept or reject. And what I have seen typically, if they find it relevant, you end up getting almost 10% people who actually end up registering for the webinar if the topic is something which is pretty good. So please keep that in mind. I think you should really leverage using this. I'm surprised how few people actually use this, and it's super easy to set up, doesn't cost anything, and LinkedIn is the place where you have a lot of professionals, you have a lot of B2B businesses. That's about it, guys, for this video. You can invite everyone in your connections. The limitation is you can only invite 1,000 people at once. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in our next video.